Okay, so I want to talk to you about a common problem, especially with photogrammetry work and checkpoints that we're using to check the accuracy of our map and our map processing. And that's soft dirt, mud, pine needles, wood chips, etc. Of course, our photogrammetry is going to see the top of the dirt, right? It's measuring the surface of the dirt. The problem is we're sometimes shooting checkpoints and we go to put our rover in, which our rover pull down in the ground, which is of course a sharp tip, and it actually sinks, right? It might sink a lot depending on what you're in, but it's going to basically wear the weight of the instrument plus whatever GPS receiver you have on top. As you can see, my photogrammetry and my images are going to be up here at the ground surface. Well, I've just created probably 2.5 inches of error just by setting my rod down. So we have to be careful when we're shooting checkpoints and soft stuff that are actually measuring the same surface with both the drone and the rod. So you can see on this rod, I've installed a topo shoe. Some people call them topo feet, probably depends on what region of the country you're in. But when I set this down, you can see that instead of digging down into the dirt with the weight of the GPS, it's actually flat on the surface. So if you're working in what I'd say unstable ground, wet ground, grass, etc., you want to make sure that you're using something like this so that you're actually measuring the top surface and accounting for the difference. Hope that tip helps and really kind of cleans up the surfaces of your checkpoints.